Good morning students, welcome to the English class. Listen my dear children, yesterday we have completed up to half of the lesson. So today we are going to write hard words of the half lesson. Whatever hard words we have learned, we are going to write in our classwork. So please take your English classwork. We have written alphabet, capital and small. Have you all remembered? Take that book and write down hard words. See, on the top of the page you have to write lesson number here on the top of the page here. L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson 1. Here you have to write lesson 1. Now first line, give 2 fingers of gap, then write down name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson? All About Rani. A-L-L, all. Give finger gap. A-B-O-U-T, all about. Again give finger gap. Rani, R capital, R-A-N-I, Rani, all about Rani. Next, coming to the next line, start from the middle of the line. Heading, hard words, H-A-R-D-W-O-R-D-S, hard words. First, on the top of the page you have to write the lesson 1, L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson -1. Next, in the first line you have to write the name of the lesson. A-L-L, all. Give finger gap. Next, about, A-B-O-U-T, about. R-A-N-I, Rani. Next, second line, hard words, H-A-R-D, give some space, W-O-R-D-S, words. Leave this first line. First one. M, capital M, U, M, B, A, I, Mumbai. M, U, M, B, A, I, Mumbai. Second one, Y, E, A-R-S, ears. Write neatly all of you. Look at the board and write down neatly. Y-E-A-R-S, ears. Third one, C-L-A-S-S, class. C-L-A-S-S, class. Now see, I have completed all my lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 lines. So you can continue. You can continue here. But I have no place to write here. I am writing here. You don't write here. You have to turn your page and write down. Understood all of you? After completing the last line, you have to turn your page and you have to continue writing from here. You don't write the side of this page. అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్పింది? నాకు ఇక్కడ లైన్స్ లేవు రాయడానికి, సో నేను ఇక్కడ సైడ్కి రాస్తున్నాను. మీకు ఇక్కడ లైన్స్ ఉంటే కంటిన్యూ చేయండి, లేదంటే సరిపోకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్లో కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి, కానీ ఇక్కడ సైడ్కి మాత్రం రాయొద్దు. హ్యావ్ యూ ఆల్ అండర్స్టూడ్? ఎస్, రైట్ ఆన్ నీట్లీ. నౌ ఫోర్త్ వన్. All of you write neatly. Fourth one, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Fifth one, O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Write neatly all of you. Don't write any mistakes. Sixth one, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Seventh one, further. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Eighth one, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Ninth one, hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. So, fourth one, first one, Mumbai. M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. Second one, ears. Y-E-A-R-S, ears. Third one, class. After that, fourth one, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Fifth one, office. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Sixth one, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Seventh one, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Eighth one, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Ninth one, hospital. So, practice these hard words. Read and practice given hard words 2 times. Write down diary work all of you. Read and practice given hard words 2 times. Now all of you open small copywriting book. Write down today's date 11. All of you open small copywriting book. Next, Q R S T. Note down this one in small copywriting book. Okay, my dear children, that's all for today. Thank you.